Hello people, how are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing amazing. This is your friend Ashish, and guys, today I am going to teach you something amazing. I am going to teach you how to use has had, have had, and had. A lot of people think these expressions are incorrect. Let's prove them wrong. Let's understand how to use them. Let's take our English to a next level. Let's speak like a native speaker. Alright, I'm excited. Hope you guys are too. Let's do it. So guys, the very first thing you should know here is has had, have had, and had are verb phrases. Okay, and the first one, has, have, and had, is a helping verb. Okay, and the second one, which is had, is a main verb. Feeling confused? How can had work as a main verb? Yes, it can. We all know that have can work both as a helping verb and as a main verb. So had here is nothing but the past participle of the verb have. Have, had, had. So it's the past participle of the verb have. And it works as a main verb here in this expression. Let me tell you how. So guys, we all know that have, when used as a main verb, as an action verb, means to drink, to eat, or to take, or to possess, right? Let us look at these examples. What would you like to have? This is the very first question that comes up when you go to somebody's place. What would you like to have? So have here in this example is not a helping verb, my friend. It's a main verb meaning take or to eat or to drink. What would you like to have? All right. Let's suppose you offer me a cup of tea and I go, I can't have this. I am allergic to milk. Let's say I just made it up. I am allergic to milk. I cannot have it. In this very sentence, I cannot have it. Have is a main verb, is an action verb. It means I cannot take it, I cannot eat it, I cannot drink it. I cannot eat a drink, so I'll say I cannot drink it, right? So it means drink. Okay, I'm done with your place, I'm done with whatever you offered me. I go back to my place. And my mom, out of curiosity, asks me, what did you have at his place, at your friend's place? What did you eat? What did you drink? And I go, Mom, I had amazing pancakes. I'm talking about the past. I had amazing pancakes. So when you talk about the past, have becomes had. I ate amazing pancakes. Now, I just want to share my experience. I want to maybe talk about something that I recently did. I do not want to talk about when I did it. The experience is more important than the time. So I will use present perfect tense for that, right? So I'll say I've had amazing pancakes recently. I have had amazing pancakes recently, present perfect tense. So have is a helping verb here and had, my friend, is a main verb. That means I have eaten amazing pancakes recently. All right? And if I change the subject, if I talk about, let's suppose, Rahul, then the verb will also change. Rahul has had amazing pancakes recently. Okay? And let's suppose you want to know what I had before you came into my room. Basically, you're asking me about something that happened before another action in the past. Past perfect tense. Let's suppose you ask, what had you eaten? What had you taken before I went into your room? And I go, I had had amazing noodles. I had had amazing pancakes when you came into my room or before you came into my room. So I'm talking about something that happened in the past before another action. And had here, the first one, is a helping verb showing the past time. And the second had, my friend, is an action verb meaning taken or eaten. I had had noodles. I had eaten noodles when you came into my room, before you came into my room. Understood? So that's how these expressions have been derived. That's how we use them in English. All right. Now, what you need to know is has had is used with a singular subject like he, she, it, in all the singular noun names. Have had with the first and second person pronouns I, you, we, they, and all the plural noun names. And had, my friend, can be used with any subject because it simply does not care, right? You can use anything with the had. So that's how we use them in English. Now let us take more examples and understand how to use them. Minnie has had enough drinks. Let's take her to her place. The first has is a helping verb showing the present time. Minnie has taken enough drinks, drunk enough drinks. Let's take her to a place. Very simple. Minnie has had enough drinks. That means Minnie has taken a lot of drinks, enough drinks. Let's take her to a place. Very simple it is. Next example. You have had many offs this month. So the first have is very simple, is a helping verb. You know it, I know it. Tell me the meaning of the second have. You have had many offs this month. This, my friend, basically means you have taken many offs this month, right? So had, when used with has, have or had, basically means eat or drink or take or experience or faced or possess or own. Okay, so here it means taken. You have had many offs this month. You have taken many offs this month. Next example. I have had the breakfast already. Everybody's at the table eating something, and I, on the other hand, using my mobile phone, not eating anything. So you guys ask me, why are you not eating the breakfast? Let's eat it. And I say, I've had the breakfast already. When you guys were doing your stuff, I already had the breakfast. I have, present time, had means taken or finished or eaten the breakfast already, right? So guys, please understand, the sentence will make you understand what your had means. It'll give you the context, right? And it'll basically mean something out of the meanings of had that I just gave you. All right, let's take an example of had. When do we use it? We use it to talk about an action that happened before another action in the past. Okay, he had had the dinner before I reached. So let us suppose I reached at this point in the past, okay? And before this point, before I reaching there, he had already had the dinner. He had, past time. The second had means finished. He had had the dinner before I reached. He had taken the dinner, eaten the dinner, finished the dinner before I reached. Understood? I know you guys understood this. Guys, if you master these expressions, if you master these verb phrases, your English will reach to a next level. So make sure you do enough practice and master these verb phrases. Now, to make sure that happens, I have a task for you. On your screen are some examples. You guys have to choose the right option, right? At the end of the lesson, the answers are given. Make sure you try them. So that is about today's lesson, guys. I hope you loved this one. I hope you enjoy this one. This will make sure that you improve a lot and you speak like a native speaker. So make sure you do a lot of practice. Make sure you like the video, very important. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you get all the notifications of my videos, and share the video with your friends, guys, so that they can also learn something new. And I'll see you guys very soon. Till then, keep learning. I love you all. Bye bye.